Where are we at, Brother Will?
We gotta be somewhere in Murray County. Northern part of Murray County. Exactly where it is.
Most people don't even realize there's still places like this in South Georgia, in the southern states.
Folks, you finally get to see Chris Hewitt doing something productive.
See his other video on when I got caught in the rain hooking up my camper, and he sat in the truck while I got soaked in mud.
No, let's not do that.
Other time we did.
He dropped his flip-flop in the creek.
Anchors away, my boy!
I am seasoning the hearth and the spindle. Drawing the moisture away from it.
This is a bow drill to build a fire, and so you get your ember down there. Smoke, you've got to season it first. Yeah, Brother Jody made all the pieces on site here.
Is that just paraffin?
It is.
So Brother Jody is preparing the hearth. And Brother Jody, will you explain to us what you're doing?
What I'm doing is I am drilling a cylindrical hole in this wood so that it will accept the point end of that, just like that. You can let it sit there for 2 or 3, 4 minutes before the amber ever goes out.
Really?
Yeah, it'll last a while, so you can take your time. And but what you want is you want your foot here and to brace your arm against your leg so that the spindle don't move a lot. All right. Don't put a whole lot of pressure at first. Then start putting a little more pressure on it. And then when you see it smoking, go a little faster.
You got an ember, Brother Jody?
Not yet. If I had an ember, it'd still be smoking right there in that pile.
All right, I'm using my new Pathfinder stove here. I got my fire built up on these embers up under here, and I'm cooking my potatoes. Going to have some good potatoes here in a minute. I'll boil these, get them potato chunks really, and I'll boil them and get it all good and soft, and then I'll pour the water out, and I've got a mix of some seasoning I'm gonna put in it, some butter, and then me and Brother Jody, we've got some steaks here, ribeyes cooking, and then I'm actually cooking me an egg here on the fire as well. So we got it going on here tonight here at the campsite.
Say hello, Brother Will.
Hello, Brother Will.
There's Brother Will's tent, my tent. Fire tripod to hang our coffee pot on, and so that we can adjust the coffee pot the height that we need it to boil coffee or boil water. All I'm doing is lashing these together. Start video. So I'll lash this together, 3 poles, and you just center it up to the fire, like that. I'm making notches, I'll show you in a minute. These notches right here are angled. They're angled in like that, and they're going to fit that coffee can. Let me show you. Like that. Just so the rope stays on there. It don't come off. And then where I want my rope, I'm going to make a notch. Rope goes around it like that. And we can let this up and down as we want, and then cinch it off. This is our tripod that we got our coffee hanging on.
We're about to fill up our mug.
And look at the percolation going on right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
Woo! Well, got my bed set up here, hanging out over the creek. We're gonna swing out over it tonight. Pretty good spot.